Good afternoon, this is Maury Loomis, Premier Motor Coach. We just finished the collision repair, body and paint on this Tiffin Allegro bus. Take a look. This front cap turned out absolutely spectacular. If you recall from my previous videos and the work in progress, it took a big shot right here, a fiberglass repair on the front end, underneath the entry door and down the baggage doors. We've got these all repaired and painted. This is a gorgeous Class A 45-foot Tiffin Allegro bus. And the fiberglass repairs and body work are absolutely spectacular here. Each one of these colors we need to paint one by one and then back mask them and then do a final clear coat, color, sand, and polish. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. We do a lot of RV collision body and paint work here at our shop, as well as interior remodels and house repairs. So give us a call, 714-252-4455. If you have any questions regarding your RV or commercial truck, give us a call. We'd be more than happy to help. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.